Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to business account TikTok. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, go back TikTok app. Firstly, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. So guys, you need to open TikTok app and tap on right corner three lines and tap on setting and privacy and tap on accounts and click on switch to business account. Now tap on next and tap on next and tap on next and select any option. Now tap on next and enter email and enter profile business name and tap on confirm. So guys, profile complete create. After doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.